Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do some retouching on some photos, some existing photos. I am using the Facetune 2 program. So let's get started. So this is how I do the retouching. I'm doing the smooth. I click the retouch and then click the smooth, and then once I touch on the skin and then choose the percentage, and then I'm just swiping on the faces. Just depends on the image that the amount that you want to update on the smoothness. Just smooth it up a little bit in case you can see the difference, and then you can see the before and after in the lower right corner. So before, after, you can see the smooth out a little bit, and that's the quick way to do smoothing. The next one I'm gonna show you is the patching. There's a patch button in the second slot right here, and you can see, let me just do an example. Just want to patch this white dot right here. So I'm just like move the area and then move to the area that is similar, and then you click OK. So and then you see that it's patched. So that's the quick way of doing the retouching. Let me do another couple pictures just to go through the process. I'm gonna just do a couple one from here. I'm gonna do the smoothing. Just smooth out the skin tone in here a little bit, and you can see the before and after smooth. And then you can, if it's too strong, you can adjust the scale right here, about 70%. You can do 70% on here. And I'm gonna do the patching also. So let me do the patching. The most used is these two functions that I use for this app. This is the Facetune 2, it's not Facetune 1. I bought this Facetune 2 because Facetune 2 is a paid app also. So just remember, the Facetune 1 is able to do that, but there are some functions that only Facetune 2 can do it. So I like the Facetune 2 because it has a full-size image export. So next, this is the 56mm F1.2. So let me smooth the forehead a little bit, and then the face, around the face a little bit. Just slightly smooth the area, and then the overall. If you want to do a patch, let me show you the patch also. Just do a quick patch for this small spot right here. I'm just gonna adjust. You can adjust the transparency also, but you can do it slightly. So it just move to the area that is very similar, and then after that you can do a small smoothing on that patch area, maybe 46%, just like that. And then the forehead, you can do a small patch right here also. So let me try it just to show you, demonstrate a little bit. Just patch a little bit, and then once I finish, I'm gonna do a smooth on the forehead. Just do a 50%. So just the process of patching and smoothing, and except just the face area, just remember to avoid the eyes area. So I have a couple of night images I want to patch also. So let me smooth this one. Just smooth the face area a little bit, and then the body area, just the shadow. And yep, so that's it, that's good. So just a quick, like about within 1 minute patch. So let me save it and then do the next one. So next one, do the same thing. So this one, just do a quick patch around the face area and the nose area, just some quick patch on here, and then the body a little bit. And so it looks smooth. You don't have to be too smooth. You can just choose it at 80% or 70% based on your feed. the consistency in your feed, how smooth your image usually is. You can just adjust that. And then let me smooth this one as well. So let me smooth this one, and then smooth a little bit in the body area. So just make sure the eyes and the nose area are smooth also. So I like the shadow and side profile in here. So let me save it. And then the last one, let me do the smoothing in here. Just smooth the face area. You can see the before and after. If it's too strong, you can just reduce the smoothness. And I'm gonna do a smooth on the body skin also, just slightly a little bit here. Just smooth it out, and then okay, and then save it. So that's a quick way I do the retouching. If I want to add it on my phone, the smoothing, just like the Lightroom, you can smooth it on the phone. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.